Game time or chill scene with friends. Delectable Buffalo Wild Wings always take it up a notch. Now you can make them all by yourself with this easy peasy recipe. To make Buffalo Wild Wings, you are going to need chicken wings, hot sauce, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, blue cheese dressing, oil, flour, butter, and white vinegar. There is no Buffalo Wild Wings without a majestic Buffalo Wild Wing sauce. Take a pan, add butter, hot sauce, white vinegar to it. Mix everything on very low heat, and before you know it, the sauce comes together beautifully. Now for the yummy wings, take a bowl, add flour, salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, and mix it thoroughly. Dredge the chicken wings in the bowl with the flour mixture. Once the wings are completely covered in the flour mixture, fry the chicken using cooking oil on medium to high heat till it's golden in color. While the fried chicken wings are hot, place them in a bowl and pour buffalo sauce onto them gently. This will ensure that the chicken wings are evenly coated in the scrumptious sauce. Serve crispy Buffalo Wild Wings with blue cheese dressing and have a delightful time with your loved ones. Happy cooking!